Tired of struggling with overstuffed suitcases and messy travel bags? Imagine packing more, staying organized, and traveling stress-free. It's possible with the right tools. Meet the Hike 10-piece compression packing cube set. This isn't just about packing. It's about transforming your entire travel experience. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to efficiency on every journey. These cubes feature powerful compression zippers, shrinking your clothes to create up to 60% more space. The set includes various sizes, a toiletry bag, shoe bag, and laundry bag. Everything has its place. Breathable mesh panels let you see contents at a glance. No more digging. Keep your outfits neat, wrinkle-free, and easily accessible throughout your trip. Crafted from high-density, tear-resistant polyester with heavy-duty zippers, these cubes are built to last. They're lightweight, adding minimal bulk to your luggage. Perfect for any adventure, from a quick weekend getaway to an extended international trip. They fit seamlessly into 20 to 32-inch suitcases. Ready to upgrade your packing game? The Hike 10-piece compression packing cube set is your ultimate travel companion. Get yours today for just $28.49 and experience the difference. Click the link in bio to shop now and travel smarter.